All right, today I have a Volkswagen Atlas, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers as well as the windshield washer on this Volkswagen Atlas. I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers to set the speed. I'm going to show you how to turn off the windshield wipers. I'm also going to show you how to turn on the windshield washer as well as the rear washer and wiper. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting behind the wheel of my Volkswagen Atlas. Now, in order to operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer, what you'll have to do is look through the steering wheel, and you'll see this lever right here. Do you see this lever? This is a clever lever. This is a lever right here that is used to operate the windshield wipers. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through it for you so you can have a better understanding of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right here. You see this lever right here? I am going to take this and I'm going to go up with this. But before I go up, go down, because what goes down must go up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever and I'm going to pull it down. And what happens is when I pull it down, it actually wipes one time on the windshield, and that is for, like, if you have a particular mist on the windshield that you just need one wipe to get it off. Like, say for instance, if somebody pours some water in your windshield, I don't know why they would do it, but you can use that to get the water off your windshield. The next thing is when you release it, it goes automatically back to the off position, which is off, okay, and your windshield wipers are off from that position. The next thing is the interval, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and go up, and this is the interval. So that's an interval wipe, which you can actually control with this top thing right here, this right here. It goes boom, 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 all right? And so it increases the interval when you have it on, okay? Just like that, okay? So it's like an automatic interval. I believe that this is the automatic detection right here. When you have an interval right here, when the windshield detects that water is on it, it will turn on automatically in the interval mode. I do believe. You might have to double check for yourself, okay? So once it's in the automatic or the interval position, you can adjust the speed at which it wipes by using this, like we talked about previously, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the lowest setting, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this lever to the low position. So I'm gonna go up one. You see that? I went up one, and it is in a low position, and that means that it's on, and it is currently wiping at the low speed. The next is the high. Now, if I go up one more, just like that, it is now in the high mode, and you see that it's going really high for those torrential downfalls. Now, when I want to turn off the windshield wipers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever, pull it all the way down, release, and it is off, okay? So that is the windshield wiper. The next is I'm going to show you the rear wiper, okay? So there is, excuse me. All right, so, all right, so, hold on, let me get, hold on, what am I, excuse me for that. So the next is the rear wiper. Now, the rear window has a wiper for wiping off water if you get on it, and you control that by taking this lever right here and pushing it forward once. You push it forward once, and it turns on the rear wiper. Now, to turn it off, you just simply take this and pull it back, okay? So now that I pulled it back, the rear window wipers off, I'm gonna go over the washer for the windshield and the rear window. Now, to turn on the washer for the windshield, you're gonna take this lever and pull it towards you, and you see that? You have water coming on there, and it is washing the windshield. And when I release it, it wipes a couple of more times and turns off. Now, for the rear window, what I'll have to do is take this lever, push it forward all of the way, and you'll hear that noise, and then you'll see washer fluid come out the rear window and wipes it, okay? Just like that, all right? And so when you're done, you just release it, and it turns off. And that is how you use or turn on and off the windshield wiper, rear window wiper, windshield washer, and rear window washer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.